dumpster rental service in Northport, Florida. If you're looking for a reliable dumpster rental service in Northport, Florida, Big Dawg Dumpsters is the perfect choice. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, cleaning out your garage, or managing construction waste, we provide hassle-free dumpster rentals to fit your needs. Our service is designed to make waste disposal simple, efficient, and environmentally responsible. At Big Dawg Dumpsters, we offer a variety of dumpster sizes to accommodate projects of all scales. From small home cleanouts to large commercial construction jobs, our dumpsters handle household junk, construction debris, yard waste, and more. We ensure prompt delivery and pickup, so you can focus on your project without unnecessary delays. With affordable pricing and no hidden fees, our rentals provide exceptional value for homeowners, contractors, and business owners alike. Our eco-friendly waste disposal practices help keep the environment clean, ensuring that as much material as possible is recycled or properly disposed of. We also offer same-day delivery for those urgent cleanup needs, making us the go-to choice for fast and reliable dumpster rentals. If you need a dumpster rental in Northport, Florida, call Big Dawg Dumpsters at 743-244-3294 today. Let us help you clear the clutter quickly and affordably.